Hello friends, welcome back to TradeMaker channel. In this video I'll be doing the analysis for New Zealand dollar to Japanese yen. As you can see, this is a daily chart, and the moving average which is shown in the chart is of 50 and 200 exponential moving average. Personally, I use these two moving average on the daily chart. This is the wonderful moving average according to me. So let's first start with the basic support and resistance points. So the major resistance we saw here is this area where we saw a clear rejection of the price and the sellers came into action, and the next level target, I believe it's somewhere here, because this is the major support, I believe somewhere in this region. I believe, or I feel, I'm on the short side from since here when it got rejected and making this candle, which is a clear rejection. I'm still on the short side, and I feel that I'll be taking my target somewhere around here. And one more important thing I would like to show here is this gap. It is usually said that in the forex markets, when there is a gap, it is filled couple of times. So I believe that the price might come down here and try to fill this, and then might go up. And for like coming weeks, I am still on the short side. Once it goes up or try to move up, I'll short more and then wait for these targets. So let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to see in the future videos. Thank you.